One of the more fascinating phenomena to observe in modern society is that of people with limited life experience, inadequate vocabulary, and delusional thinking attempting to understand, navigate, and explain reality to themselves and others.
All of this can be found at URL.
Things fall apart. When people who don't know how the world works start to work in the world no longer works as it should.
I'm gonna stop you right there.
When people who don't know why policies are enacted start to enact policy, ideology steers policy. When people who don't understand why laws are made start to make laws, laws become toothless. When people who don't know how jobs function are hired to function in jobs, incompetence abounds. When people who don't understand the natural order try to reorder what's natural, feelings replace facts. When people who've never been held accountable face ethical decisions, ethics are abandoned. When people who failed based on merit are allowed to advance, self-entitlement soars. When people who can't define the words they use speak from positions of influence, words lose their meaning.
Literally?
I
literally rolled back the hands of time.
When people who prioritize opinions over facts are given control, opinions become reality. When systems that prioritize quotas over quality are placed in operation, systems implode. When people who don't respect others' individual authority are given authority over others, authority becomes authoritarianism. When people who've never learned how a society advances advance in society, society regresses. When people of limited life experience and intelligence rise to positions of governance, idiocracy ensues. In other words, when people who don't know how things work start to work on things, things fall apart.